How to use multiple S Pen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So welcome to another video of TechSo to use multiple S Pen on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. First you need to open your settings application. So for that, first swipe up and open app drawer. Now open settings application. Scroll down. Tap on advanced features. Now tap on S Pen. Tap on more S Pen settings. And here is the feature allow multiple S Pens. So enable this. By enabling this, you can use another S Pen while your default S Pen is inside your phone, but this uses more battery. So if you want to use multiple S Pen, you can use on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to TechSource.